Jambo and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be talking about freezing and unfreezing pens. So to make you better understand what we're talking about, I'm going to use this example. So sometimes you are scrolling down, and if we'll just copy this 2 3 copy and highlight as many rows as possible from here, go down and just press Ctrl V. I'm just creating more data to see actually if we can just highlight all these rows up to here, Ctrl C, then just Ctrl V. Yeah, so sometimes you have, I'm going to press escape key to remove the matching ads. So sometimes you want your heading here to be seen as you scroll down and you're not able to see it. So Excel gives you the capability to ensure that you can see it. If I had the numbering here as well, sometimes you want to be able to see your numbers as you scroll down, and Excel as well ensures that you are able to do that. I'm trying to put these numbers here close to it and then double click to the end so that it numbers it to the end. If I can remove these two just to save up on space, nothing special. So if I want to continue seeing the what if analysis goal 6 title here, so I'll just need to click here and then go to the view panel and click on freeze pens. Once that is there, see, I can scroll down while seeing the what if analysis. So I need to select the row next to the one that I want to see, because if I selected what if, it will freeze the top row, and that is it. It will not allow us to do anything until we unfreeze and freeze at the proper place. If you want to unfreeze, you just select the same row and click on unfreeze pens, and that's it. We're back to how it was. To freeze a row as well, it's the same thing. I want to freeze it at this so that I see the numbers as I keep scrolling like this to the right. I want to have this one displaying. I'll just go to freeze pens. I'll select the one next to it and click freeze pens. As I scroll here, you see this one is fixed, as you can see. Same thing, I just click anywhere and click on unfreeze pens. It's going to remove that freezing. The other question is, can you freeze both the row and also come and freeze the column at the same time? Okay, so you see, you can't do both at the same time as of now. At least I don't know of any as of now, but there are other options as well that you can use, like freeze first column like this, and it already knows it needs to freeze that column. It will not work in every situation, because sometimes you don't want to freeze only the first column, you want to freeze the first 3 columns, so that might not work. Then you can also click on freeze top row. You see, that is going to work as it freeze top row. What if analysis is not on the top row, that's why it's not freezed, but it has frozen row number 1, as you can see here. Okay, so that's how you can use freeze and unfreeze. So you can freeze rows and you can also freeze columns, and this is how you can unfreeze via the view tab. See you in the next tutorial where we'll be talking about sorting and filtering data. See you then. Bye bye.